We tried something I'd never seen before on a direct injection engine, or GDI. We soaked the valves in Seafoam motor treatment. Well, take a look at what these valves look like 24 hours later. Last time on Nate's Interactive Auto, you saw us start the vehicle. There was definitely a lot of smoke, but let's take you back before that moment. Once we soaked our intake valves for 24 hours in the Seafoam, we then used our transfer pump to extract the remaining Seafoam and carbon remnants. Definitely don't try this at home without supervised help. Wow, there was a lot of carbon buildup pulled from the intake. After seeing all the carbon buildup that was broken up by the Seafoam motor treatment heat soaking, we're going to use this Seafoam spray because I believe this is going to finish the job and give us the results that we want. If you want to see all the how-tos on using Seafoam spray, check out one of my recent videos, CRC versus Seafoam. Now, go ahead and raise your RPM and make sure that you're running at operating temperatures before using the product. Do not exceed 2500 RPMs, but you can see that we have an oil catch can. It does help, but it's not enough. Reassemble all parts in the reverse order as you had taken it apart. I have been so excited to see these results. If this doesn't work, nothing will. Guys, I'm running short on ideas. What can we try next? Be sure and drop a comment below letting us know what chemical to try or what testing method. Well, let's use this borescope camera. Go see the results. Wow, guys, look at this first valve. Incredible. I mean, absolutely incredible. This Seafoam spray made a big difference cleaning it up, but without soaking in Seafoam motor treatment, it never would have happened. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.